We have another identical, same set. This one here from Ikea. Got the box here. My middle piece for the separate the two small top drawers. It goes in the center. That drawer thing work. Set that aside. Move this slide it over there. Legs here and trash. This is the top, like that. Set that aside, and this is the vacuum. It's going to be nailed to the back. Set that aside. I'm going to start with our legs here. We're going to pay attention to detail. The grooves here are going to be the back, so you want both of these facing each other. finished part 9, it should look like this. Got your cross beams up there, got your brackets on, got your panels on. All 4 legs are ready to go. So when you finish part 10, it should look like this. Got my 2 panels, my 4 legs, my drawer brackets on, my coasters, got my cross beams on, all 6 of them, ready to connect both panels. All my pieces on the floor here. There were about 3, 4, 5, 6, I think about 7 or 8 boxes here. This is 2 this size here, and there's gonna be 1 in the middle. I think it's a little shorter, but the drawers are many pieces here. All the hardware there on the floor. This was a challenge today to assemble this dresser, but here we go. I don't have really good lighting. Hopefully I can get a lot of this done before it gets dark here. Moving right along.